this is the bridal look, you know. This is the bridal look with all the jewelry, with everything, you know. This nice mala and everything, you know. So this is the bridal look, and you know, you can see the makeup, and I'm just trying to show you the fact that okay, I can ready a bride, you know. Uh, so this is only for that, not for for someone to fall in love with me and just no, there is nothing like that. Okay, there is nothing like that, you know. And I have seen girls like doing this, and they're like coming, and you know, this really a nice net kind of chunri, which is like I really wanted a net chunni, seriously, बट मुझे वो मिली ही नहीं मेरी मम्मी के कपड़ों में, लिटरली. So whatever I got, so I made that out of it, you know. This is a lehenga, this is a full lehenga, and so if you are interested in this kind of makeup, if you want to do your sisters or your friends makeup like this, or if you want to yourself want to this is because of that spray, that NYX spray, makeup setting spray, you know. So if you are interested in this kind of makeup, like in this kind of red bridal makeup, then yeah, let's get started. Watch this video, keep on watching. Okay, so guys, this is like this is a bridal makeup, and I tried to find a lot of brides. Actually, I tried to find like like models to do makeup upon them, but I have not found anyone in these corona times. So I started with my own. So I'm basically started with myself, and so the first thing I did was like the silicone primer thing, you know, the silicone primer, which is very important. The primer is very important, guys, you know. This is the first step to the makeup, and then I did the primer thing. Yeah, I was only saying this that I don't get any model. It's not that I want to be a bride or something like that, that I'm showing that oh my god, I'm so beautiful and I want a broom or groom or something. I want a broom something. I would take a broom, not a groom, but yeah. So I'm doing my brows, my eyebrows, and I'm doing my eyebrows. Okay. Yeah. So I'm doing my eyebrows, and I'm doing them like completely like in a selfie camera. And I hate my camera, I hate my phone, because it just doesn't get zoomed in the front camera. I don't know why. In the rear camera it gets really zoomed, you know, zoomed picture can come, but in the front camera there is no zoom in my phone. So this is very irritating. Now I'm doing the concealing thing, okay, on my eyes. This is the concealer, this is the concealing look, you know. I'm just taking the brush of this is Makeup Revolution concealer, I would say, and it's like I'm just using this for a long time. You can use anything, guys, you know. You can use the different concealer, you can use foundation as well, you know, but concealer is a little more thicker, and it's now I'm when I am able, now I did my the concealer thing. I'm just like wherever you find blemishes and darkness and everything, if you found very much darkness, then you need an orange corrector. okay, and then concealer. Okay, I would recommend that. And if you are like fine, you're just completely fine with the darkness around your eyes, and it's like not very much, like it's not very dark or something like that, then you just put the concealer over your blemishes and breakouts and everything, and just take a damp beauty blender and just do the blending thing, you know guys, just do the blending thing. So I have done the blending thing, and this has happened, you know. So I have completely set my eyebrows, and I have completely done blended the concealer. So now I am all good to go for the foundation. So I'm just seeing the fact that, okay, yeah, so this is MAC Studio Fix foundation, which I bought from Nykaa Super Sale, but I have not got any discount over this MAC foundation. This is like completely not there. I found really nice deals over eyeshadow palettes and blushes and everything, but this foundations thing, actually I bought two foundations, which is like one is NC15 and second is NC20, you know. So that NC20 is like really yellow. So I have taken a little amount, very little amount, because the first time I did the bride makeup, I have taken a lot of amount, you know. So I have taken a little amount on it, and I'm just taking by my hand, and I'm just taking it like my hand, and then I have just मैंने उसको पूरा like I have taken this by hand only, and then I put the beauty blender over eyes and everywhere, you know. I have not guys, please, I'm telling you that I have not used falsies right now. Now I have the damp beauty blender, and I'm just doing the blending thing, you know, on my face. Yes, so I'm blending it you know, beauty blender is like far more comfortable than a brush. Brush is also fine, somewhere, like if you are baking under eye, if you are baking with powder, like compact powder, you know. First, like a MAC Studio Finish foundation plus compact powder, so then you can do that. Now I have taken the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio palette, which is like correcting palette, and I'm contouring with this palette actually. So I have taken the lightest shade, because my foundation was like so light color off, and I have taken the lightest shade, and I started doing contouring my cheeks and my nose and everywhere, you know. And then I started like then I am now blending the contouring, you know. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने अगर एक लाइन बनाई है तो आप उसको like उसको इनिट नहीं करेंगे, blend it नहीं करेंगे फाउंडेशन में तो अच्छा लगेगा. So you have to blend that bronzer and everything. Oh, I'm so sorry. ब्राउन्जर और उसके बाद आपको ब्राउन्जर लगाना चाहिए, विच इज गोना टेक, उसके बाद और भी लुक जो है वो बढ़ के आएगा. एंड यू नो गाइज, इट्स द कॉन्टूरिंग थिंग इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फॉर one shape of face to different shape of face, you know. So the round shape needs a lot of contouring, and the longer the face is, the less quantity of contouring you need, you know. And if you have like really like a diamond shape face, then you need like very very thin type of contouring, you know. Square face also doesn't need a lot of contouring, because it looks very weird and sculpted, you know, sculpture type. So now I am doing the transition shade of my eyes. So I have done the contouring thing, and now I'm contouring my eyes. I'm doing the transition shade, which I always do, you know. And now I am doing I have taken the Swiss Beauty sketch color liner, and I am taking it like making the shape of the eyes and I'm putting it into the outer V. The first time I did it, I was like really shocked, and I was like, oh my god, what I'm doing. But then I take the black eyeshadow and then I fill it in, you know. Yeah, so I tried to smudge that, but it wasn't smudging as much. So I just took the black eyeshadow in the outer V of my eyes, in my both eyes, you know. And then I started making shape of my eyes, which is like completely in crease, not in the upper part of the crease, you know. That is the place underneath the eyebrow and eyelid. That place you have to leave, okay. So, and that's how I just take the lead, and I started putting the maroon red eyeshadow into on the eyelid. Actually, I started setting it on the eyelid, and I started blending it with the black and the contrasting it, you know. You can see that. Yeah, so one eye happened. Now I'm going for the next eye. Yeah. It always happens to me, guys, that one eye is like very blendable and very to the eyebrow. I'm going beyond the eyebrow with the eyeshadow, and the other eye is like completely neat and clean and like this, you know. So I just tried a lot to make both of them like look like each other. But then I was like worried about my eyebrows also, you know, because that place should look like completely neat and clean, you know. You just have to put all the eye, first of all you make the crease, you know. You have to transition the color in the eye, in the crease, and then you have to do the outer V, and then you have to do the inner lid, you know. So that's how it is. That's how it is for everyone, you know. And you have to blend all of these, and these all colors should complement each other, you know. This is I always think that guys take this makeup stuff like so easily, like whatever, we can do it like in seconds. But you know, when agar unko kabhi बिठाया जाए तो it's gonna be like really. So maybe I'm doing again the concealer thing and defining my eyebrows, and actually I'm putting the red glitter over the maroon color actually. And then I'm taking the golden color and golden shade of the palette, and I'm putting the golden shade over the red. And then I have done a lot, you know. Because you know, my attire, the bride dress was completely maroon and beige color, maroon and golden color. So that's why I thought that I should put some golden color over there also. So this is only red is going. And then I have taken the palette again, and I started taking that golden color, that golden shade, and I started having it on my eyelid. In the inner eyelid, I'm going it. Yeah. Now I'm putting the highlighter, which is again golden. Which is again golden, because of I really like silver and pink undertone highlighters, but then my dress was like golden, so I'm like, why I shouldn't try the golden one. So I put it like in the corner, in the highlights the cheekbone of my eyes, like completely, like inner, like under the eye, and not under the eye, like on the cheekbones, Now I'm setting everything with the makeup, maybe with the MAC compact, which I bought actually. Yeah, so here I am like ready to do the, now I'm thinking that I should put the mascara over my lashes. So I'm putting the mascara over my lashes. Yeah, girls. अरे इतना कौन करेगा. So now I'm taking the brown color, the darkest or the lightest brown color I have taken, the darkest brown color, and I'm putting it where the kajal goes, because I don't put kajal in the in my eyes. I don't know why. I just don't put. Now I'm again doing the highlighting thing, and then I'm doing the highlighting thing with the golden one. Now I'm putting the nice silver highlighter in the corner of, in the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm putting some concealer over my eyes. I don't know what I'm doing with my eyes, but okay, I'm putting the liner. Actually, I'm putting the liner, winged liner in the but actually the outer V is so black that winged liner doesn't even showing up, So I'm doing the liner thing. Now I'm contouring my lips, now I'm contouring my lips, and then I'm gonna take the lipstick actually. So I have done the lipstick, and then I started thinking about the So I'm worried about the bindis, which is like the traditional Indian bridal look, you know. So I am taking the bindi thing, and I'm doing the bindis of my forehead, which is like very important for a bride in Indian traditional look. Like if you are doing the Indian traditional look, the bindis are very important, you know. So I'm doing the bindi and I'm like, इससे अच्छा तो होता मैं इसको भी ऑफ स्क्रीन ही कर लेती, बट देन आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन. So I have done my falsies on girls and boys and anyone who is watching this video. So I'm just doing the bindi thing over my forehead, over my eyebrows, between my eyebrows, over my eyebrows. I'm setting everything with, I have set everything with that Smack Studio Fix Finish, you know, compact to everything. Okay, so I have done everything. Then once again, so I'm just struggling with the bindis actually, just struggling with, and I'm thinking that मैं वो sticker वाली बिंदी ही लगा लूँगी, that looks even fine, you know. So I went off screen and then I put like all the. So that is the time I was thinking that I should just go off screen and I should wear all of the things. Yeah guys, so I got back with all of the accessories and with all the matha patti and the tika and all of the jewelry and all of the costume kind of thing. Costume, because this is not the real bride thing, but this is just actual my मैं यही कह रही हूँ एक्चुअली इस समय पे, बट ये जो पार्ट है ये भी म्यूट हो गया. So I'm only saying that this is not to show that I'm ready to get married or I want a bridegroom or anything, but I'm just trying to show the fact that that I can make this kind of craft also. I can create a bridal look also, you know, and I would create like as in a nice thing, you know. This could be anything. With I can do any makeup, any eye makeup, any like anything, you know, whatever you want to, I can do that, you know. So don't think that I cannot. Like I always be very natural at my on my makeup, but I can do the bridal makeup also. Okay, bye guys.